Today I am going to unbox this Made to Move Barbie doll. This is my first Made to Move doll. I'm so excited to unbox it. This is the ultimate possible Barbie doll. So let's start unboxing. From the back, I'm tearing all the sides. As you can see, there are more Barbies in the collection. I got the one with the blue top. I got this as my Christmas gift. I took the box up. Now I have to cut the last string here. How different is from the other Barbies. So, starting with its arm, its wrist, we could bend her knee and her toes, whatever position we want her to be. We could put her in sitting position here and in yoga position. Yoga position. In ballet position. We could put her in any position we want her to be. So that's why it's called Made to Move Barbie doll. So I hope you all like my unboxing video and my Barbie doll. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye.